This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today we're going to add search functionality to a WordPress website. Let's get started. Now in the previous video, we added this search icon to our home page, but this doesn't really do anything. So let's add some functionality to it. Let's click on Edit with Elementor. And we're going to replace this icon by search form. Change the skin to full screen. Let's add some margin on the top. Looks good. Let's change some style. And as you can see, our search icon has been added and it's working. Let's click on Update and let's visit our site. Let's try searching. Now as you can see, we have our search results. But the problem is this search results page looks really bad. So let's change this as well. Go to Templates, Theme Builder, and you can see there's an option called Search Results. We're going to click on Add New to create a new template. And as you can see, there are options. Let's try choosing this one and click on Insert. And as you can see, we can also add our custom skin. And let's change the website to Elementor Canvas by changing the page layout. So as you can see, let's click on Publish, click on Add Condition, and click on Search Results. Now click on Save and Close, and let's visit our website. And as you can see, our search results are here. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.